all present here. Respected teachers and my fellow students, I, Sonal Khati, student of class 8th, welcome you all to this special assembly on Earth Day. We celebrate Earth Day to spread the awareness of our planet Earth. It is celebrated on 22nd of April. It all started in US when Nelson saw the impact of oil spill in California. He organized a national teach in which he educated people to how to protect our planet. The most patriotic thing one can do is to save our environment and live sustainable. Today, on the occasion of the Earth Day celebration, let's begin our assembly praying for the well-being of our Mother Earth.
तेरा मेरा नाता है प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू है सहारा। तेरा मेरा नाता है प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू है सहारा। तू ही है चंदा और तू ही गगन, तू ही है सूरज और तू ही किरण। तू ही है चंदा और तू ही गगन, तू ही है सूरज और तू ही किरण। तुझसे बहारे और तू ही पवन, तुझसे बहारे और तू ही पवन। तू ही है खुशबू और तू ही चमन, तू ही है खुशबू और तू ही चमन। चाँद सा शीतल, फूलों सा प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। तेरा मेरा नाता है प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। अज्ञान है हम और ज्ञान है तू, आज के युग का विज्ञान है तू। अज्ञान है हम और ज्ञान है तू, आज के युग का विज्ञान है तू। सेवा क्षमता और सम्मान है तू, सेवा क्षमता और सम्मान है तू। जीवन के पथ की पहचान है तू, जीवन के पथ की पहचान है तू। सागर से गहरा है ज्ञान तुम्हारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। मेरा नाता है प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। तेरा मेरा नाता है प्यारा, तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा। तू ही है जीवन, तू ही सहारा।
We have now Madhav with the word of the day, Mehadeep and Shaurya with idioms, Sarika with current affairs and the major appointments of the month.
The word of the theme is petrichor. It is a pleasant smell that frequently accompanies the first rain after a long period of warm and dry weather. It is caused by the water from the rain along with certain compounds like ozone, geosmin and plant oils. It's derived from Greek petra, meaning stone, and ichor, the fluid that flows in the veins of the gods.
Good morning. Today I will be speaking some idioms. Number 1. Nothing like it on earth. Meaning, used to say that something is very unique or rare. or so incredible that there is nothing else to compare it to in the entire world. For example, the view from the top of our roof stretches across San Diego Bay. There is nothing like it on Earth. Second idiom, go to the ends of the earth, meaning to do everything and anything possible to achieve something. It's often followed with to do something. For example, Dylan would go to the ends of the earth to become a successful musician. It has always been his passion. Thank you.
The third idiom is move heaven and earth, meaning work hard to do something, and the usage is the high achievers move heaven and earth to excel in academics. The fourth idiom is down to earth, meaning a humble and a sensible person, and the usage is the great Indian scientist and ex-president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's simplicity and down-to-earth attitude always struck a chord with people.
The Tokyo Olympic Games, which were initially scheduled to be held in 2020, were postponed to July-August 2021 due to the pandemic. US President Joe Biden has announced withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan by 11 September 2021. New Zealand becomes the first country to introduce climate change law for the financial sector. Russia has become the first country in the world to develop and register a vaccine for animals against COVID-19. It has been developed by Rozel Khomzor and the vaccine has been named as Carnivore CoV. It was being tested on dogs, cats, foxes and minks since October 2020. Recently, India gave emergency use authorization to Russia's Sputnik V, making it the third vaccine to be used in India, with the first two being Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. Looking into the present situation of the COVID-19 pandemic and also taking into the account the safety and well-being of the candidates and examination functionaries, it has been decided to postpone the JEE Main 2021 April session, the agency said in a statement. The first two sessions have already been completed in February and March.
Major appointments of this year are Claude Joseph has become the new Prime Minister of Haiti. He has been appointed by the President of Haiti, Jovenel Moise. Former banker Guillermo Lasso has become the new President of Ecuador by winning the presidential election. Israeli President Reuven Rivlin has nominated Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for the formation of new government. National Assembly has selected the Pham Minh Chinh as the next Prime Minister of Vietnam. Josa Osmanu Saied has become the new President of Kosovo for the period of 5 years. She has become the 7th President and 2nd female President of the post-war of Kosovo. Thank you. The love and gratitude for the Mother Earth can be expressed in different ways. Let us have a look at how my dear friends Shivangi and Angad are expressing their love for the motherland, followed by Adyashri and Tanmeet, who are going to perform Bhumi Namaskar.
नमस्कार। आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है धरती का आंगन इठलाता, और इस कविता के कवि श्री सुमित्रानंदन पंत जी हैं। धरती का आंगन इठलाता, शस्य श्यामला भूका यौवन, अंतरिक्ष कर दे लुभाता, जो गेहूं की स्वर्णिम बाली, भूका अंचल वैभवशाली, इस अंचल से चिर अनादि से अंतरंग मानव का नाता। आओ नए बीज हम बोए, विगत युगों के बंधन खोए। भारत की आत्मा का गौरव स्वर्ग लोक में भी न समाता। भारत जन रे धरती की निधि, न्योछावर उन पर सूर्योदय विधि। दाता वे सर्व स्व दान कर, उनका अंत नहीं अगाता। किया उन्होंने त्याग तप वरण, जन स्वभाव का स्नेह संचरण। आस्था ईश्वर के प्रति अक्षय, श्रम ही उनका भाग्य विधाता। सृजन स्वभाव से हो उर प्रेरित, नव श्री शोभा से उन्मेषित। हम वसुधैव कुटुंब ध्येय रख, बने नए युग के निर्माता। धरती का आंगन इठलाता, धरती का आंगन इठलाता। धन्यवाद।
Good morning all of you. Today I am going to present a song, Ai Dasa Ai Mati. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati. Sibari taro jibanu tiba, Sibari taro jibanu tiba, Rakhiba taranati. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati. Sujala Sufala Sassa Samula, Sujala Sufala Sassa Samula, Amoy Janmu Mati. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati. Chone jharna jhar jaye, Chone koyali kuh gaye. Chone jharna jhar jaye, Chone koyali kuh gaye. Suna hai fasal lahari kheli, Suna hai fasal lahari kheli, Bukur jaye loti. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati. Sujala Sufala Sassa Samula, Sujala Sufala Sassa Samula, Amoy Janmu Mati. Ai Dasa Ai Mati, Mamta Moi Mati.
Bhumi Pranam. Bhumi Pranam is the first thing every Indian dancer learning any Indian dance form is taught first. It is used for showing gesture and asking permission from the goddess Earth before starting the dance.
Trouble is her only friend, and he's back again. Makes her body older than it really is. And she says it's high time she went away. No one's got much to say in this town. Trouble is the only way is down, down, down. As strong as you were, tender you go. I'm watching you breathing for the last time, a song for your heart. But when it is quiet, I know what it means. I'll carry you home. As strong as you are, tender you go. I'm watching you breathing for the last time, a song for your heart. But when it is quiet, I know what it means. I'll carry you home. I'll carry you home.
Dear friends, it's time to take initiative before it's too late. So let's take a pledge today. Keeping your mics muted, please repeat after us. I love my planet and I'm proud of its rich mineral resources. I pledge to conserve earth resources, reduce pollution, plant more trees, keeping myself and my surroundings clean. I shall always use the products that are environment friendly to my planet. I pledge my devotions. Save Earth, save life.
Hello everyone, I'm Unnati Rai from grade 8A. Today I'm near a lovely lake enjoying this beautiful weather. Today is Earth Day. Earth Day is a yearly celebration held on April 22nd to show love for protecting the environment. It began on April 22nd, 1970 and has since grown to include a different variety of activities organized internationally by Earth.org, including 1 billion people from over 193 countries. That's unbelievable, isn't it? Would you like to celebrate Earth Day too? There are so many things you can do to celebrate Earth Day. Ride your bike. The fewer vehicles on road, the fewer carbon emission pollutes the environment and contribute to global warming. Plant something. As you can see in my garden, there are lots of plants. I try to keep my garden as planty as possible. Hopefully you guys enjoy your Earth Day and appreciate all the things nature has given to us. Be safe and
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi and today I will be giving you a few recycling tips. I painted this old jar and make it reusable. And this was an old tomato ketchup bottle. I painted it into a new one. And this I made it using an old newspaper and a cardboard from a waste cartoon. So you guys can also do these things. It's quite easy to conserve the nature.
Do you know it takes 24 trees to make 1 ton of fresh papers? So why waste papers? Use old notebook and both sides of paper. Use paper to its maximum and recycle it. 1 ton of non-used old papers is equivalent to saving 17 trees. So save trees, save life.
Hello everyone, I'm Zian Muzumkar. Do you know that we waste 7.2 million tons of food every year? And half of it is perfectly edible. Meanwhile, 1 in 7 people across the world don't have enough food to eat. Well, there are many ways about how to prevent food wastage, like avoid buying too much of food, think twice before throwing away food, and take the right amount of food you can eat. Food waste, not an emergency.
Saving water. As per UN's World Development Water Report done in 2020, it has been observed that 75% of Earth's surface is made out of water, and yet 2.2 billion people in the world do not get access to clear, drinkable, safe water. Water is one of the most essential elements in life. It is better that we save it today rather than have to search for it tomorrow. It has been predicted that by 2050, which is only 29 years away from now, almost all sources of fresh and potable water will be exhausted. By doing small things such as regulating unnecessary water wastage, recycling water wherever we can, checking for leakages in taps, pipes, faucets, etc., avoiding running water for washing, cleaning and bathing, and using buckets and mugs which are more efficient and save much more water.
Did you know it takes more than 500 years for plastic to completely degrade in a landfill? After that also it does not completely degrade. It instead photodegrades, that is, it becomes a piece of microplastic that keeps on absorbing toxins and affecting our planet. More than 100,000 animals, mainly marine animals, get killed due to these plastic bags. It is high time we made our choices more consciously. Why use those plastic bags when you can use these reusable and beautiful paper, cloth and cotton and jute bags? Be a smart shopping.
Save energy. Earth Hour is a worldwide movement organized by the World Wide Fund or WWF for Nature. This event is held annually to encourage individuals, communities and businesses to turn off non-essential electric lights to save nature. This is held for 1 hour from 8:30 to 9:30 pm on a particular day at the end of March. This is a symbol of commitment towards the planet. Isn't it a good idea to save some electricity and reduce greenhouse gases, because most mechanisms for generating electricity release carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases in the nature that absorb and emit radiation into Earth's atmosphere. You can also make small changes in your day-to-day activities to save a great deal of electrical energy. For example, embracing natural light. Open up your curtains and let the sun shine in. Using natural light whenever possible instead of relying on artificial light can greatly reduce the amount of electricity we use during the day. Thank you.
Did you know an average size plant provides enough oxygen in 1 year to keep a family of 4 breathing? Have you planted your oxygen supply for the year? If not, go, hurry up and plant one this weekend.
Earth is enough for everyone's needs but not for everyone's greed. Having an eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle will definitely help in healing the earth. Have a look at how Cambridgeites are engaged in different sustainable development projects and doing their bit for nature. Thank you.